Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Credit Karma to track utilization before you apply. To begin, open your web browser. Type Credit Karma in the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Credit Karma website link. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button. Enter your email and password to log in. If you don't have an account, click on the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to create your account by providing the required information. Once logged in, navigate to the credit score section of your dashboard. Look for the Credit Utilization section. Here, you can view your current credit utilization ratio. To track your utilization effectively, click on Accounts. Link your credit accounts to Credit Karma by following the on-screen instructions. Ensure all your relevant credit cards are added for accurate tracking. After linking your accounts, return to the dashboard. Click on Alerts to set up notifications. Select the option to receive alerts about changes in your credit utilization. This will help you stay informed before applying for new credit. Periodically check your dashboard for updates on your utilization. Make adjustments as necessary by paying down balances to maintain a healthy ratio. By following these steps, you can manage your credit utilization effectively. Congratulations, you're now set up to track your utilization effectively with Credit Karma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.